For this job you will need a tube of contact adhesive. So you've had the bottom weight on your vertical blind fall out. Basically what happens is over time the stitching degrades to the point from being in the sun that it breaks. Now you could sew these back up, but if you don't have a sewing machine, the quickest way is to glue them. Now the glue you can use is a contact adhesive, and basically all you do is you put a bit of the contact adhesive on one surface, just running it along like that. From there, stick it to the other side of the slat and then open it back up. Now the reason I do this is because contact adhesive needs some time to flash off before you stick it back together, and it needs about 15 minutes. So here's one I prepared a little earlier. It's had about 15 minutes, and all we do from there is push them together, run your finger along it a few times, and then there it is stuck together. From there you would then slide your weight back into the blind, push it down again, and that is repaired.